This tube sealer features an ultrasonic unit on the left and a sealing and trimming unit on the right, with customizable tool heads available upon request. It adopts Taiwan-manufactured core circuit boards and a pneumatic power system, ensuring stable operation and high durability. All moving components are sourced from well-known brands. Constructed with 304 stainless steel, the machine is suitable for harsh environments and can seal corrosive products with a one-time forming function. A customizable printing function is also available. Priced at over 50% less than traditional tube filling and sealing machines, it offers excellent value for money.